The flavor is light, yet the richness of the mushrooms with the fat of the lamb and the roasted bell peppers that I did with the grassiness of the dandelion leaves is quite nice. You also, I think, could make this into a cream soup, but I think it's good the way it is. Spiciness I don't think would go well with this. Maybe you could add in some potatoes. Shred them up, kind of like hash brown style. That could also possibly work. Serve it over polenta as well. Mashallah tabarakallah. What do you think, Habanero?
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah.